For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paperclips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paperclips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paperclip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. Wendy asked me to make SKZ on a ring. This stands for Stray Kids, which is another boy band. We're going to start at the S, and we're going to make it quite small so we can get it out of a paper clip. You can always use 20 gauge wire if you need a longer wire. So we're just going to form the S, and then bring this one around to form the top of the S, and then bring it right down, and we'll form the K. So we're going to bend this to the back, give it a sharp bend, pinch it in, bring this down on an angle, pinch it in a little more. At the bottom of the K, bend it back again, so it's right in there. Right at the edge there, we're going to bend it up on an angle. So that represents the S and the K, and then where the top of the Z will be, you just take it with your flat pliers and bend it straight out, and then bend it down on an angle, and then straight across. And then you can wiggle it in a little bit more. So this is very stylized to represent the S, the K, and the Z. Then you're going to get a marker or ring cone, hold it on here, and just bring it all the way around. Push it down. You can clip it here if you want, or you can just curve this out. So take the round pliers, curve it around so that sits under there. Wiggle this around a little bit, and there you have your SKZ ring. And if you prefer, you can start the letters in the middle and run the wires around both of them to the back.